So this is your living area. Here your beautiful and spacious kitchen area. So this is your master bedroom, comes with a bed. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Sobha Neopolis project, which is located on Panathur Road, Bangalore. A project by Sobha developers. And today we are here to check out their 4 BHK model flat. But before that, let's check out the surrounding of this project. So as you can see, I am standing just in front of the sales office. So this is the sales office, that is the marketing office of Sobha Neopolis. And now the land parcel comes over this side. So on my left hand side, you can check the land parcel of the project. Now, before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers. Well, where in Housey we connect you directly with developers, because the listing in Housey is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's do the project overview. So as you can see, this is how your project will look like. This is the main entrance of Sobha Neopolis. And this project is constructed in total 25 acres of land parcel, came up with 19 towers with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 18 floors with 1 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK plus 4 BHK premium residencies. Now the amenities part. Sobha developer is coming with ultra luxurious amenities. This project has all the amenities that you can think of, like of 77 feet of clubhouse, 3 pools, garden area, kids play area, swimming pool, that is the infinity pool with kids pool, Olympic plaza and many more. Now let's do the location part. So this project is located in Panathur main road, Bangalore. And now let's check out the connectivity of the project. So as you can see, that is the main Panathur road. On right hand side you can connect towards Varthur, and on left hand side you can connect towards the Belandur. Now coming to the location connectivity of this project. Vibgyor High School is 2 kilometers away from the project, with Prestige Tech Park is 3 kilometers away. DMAT is 4.5 kilometers away, with Manipal Hospital 6 kilometers away from the project. Now before checking the model flat, let's check out the raw material and finishing Sobha developer is coming up with. So this is how they begins, with the basic and the raw materials that they are using over here. And now moving further, this is how the finishing is done by them. You can check out the layers of the paintings and the flooring, and even the door. So this is the main door of your house. And now moving further, this is the finishing and the layers in your washroom. So your washroom will work like this. Now, this how the finishing is done for the balcony and the terrace area. So you can check the layers again, the reeling over here, the iron reeling, the windows. And now you can see the basic layers. And this is how they finish the parking and terrace area. Now let's move further. Now let's check your 4 BHK of 2481 square feet super built up area. So this is your main entrance, and on the entrance they are coming up with the video doorbell. And now this is the entrance, and you can check this is your personal foyer area for your privacy. And from here you will enter towards your beautiful and spacious home. Just imagine entering after an exhausting day into this piece. So this is your living area. And exactly in front of your living area, they have provided you with a balcony. So this is an attached balcony that comes with a living area. So as you can see, this is the part of a gardening area which is provided with the balcony itself. And this is the space of your balcony, which will be three-side covered with iron and anti-rust railing and with wooden finishing plus anti-skid tiles also. Now exactly over here you have been provided with a dining area. So this is your dining area. And over here comes your puja ghar. You can set your puja ghar over here or else such thing like for storage or for decoration items. Additionally, you can check out the arc. This three arc is a part of your Greek theme. Now, let's enter towards your kitchen area. So, this will be your kitchen area, your beautiful and spacious kitchen area. The space you can check over here. Now, with the kitchen area, they have provided you with a dry balcony. So, here, the dry balcony comes with anti-skid tiles and a window for ventilation and lighting purpose with a platform with a sink over here. Now let's check the rest of the house. So coming towards the bedroom number 1, your bedroom number 1 is over this side. So like this. For your reference, they have made this room as a drawing area. So this is the space that they are coming up with a Juliet window with anti-rust and iron railing over here. And now this bedroom comes with attached washroom over here. So here comes the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further and check your bedroom number 2. So walking through your living and dining area, crossing your beautiful balcony area, we'll move further. And over here, this comes the powder area. So here is the powder area. Again with anti-skid tiles over here. Now there are 2 bedrooms on my right and left hand side. So let's check the right hand side room first. So this is your bedroom number 2. You can check the bedroom, the space over here, how beautiful the bedroom is, right? The wardrobe space, the bed space over here, the dressing table space over here. And now this also comes with a Juliet window which comes with the iron railing that is anti-rust and with a mosquito mesh with toughened glass. And now this bedroom comes with the attached washroom. So here comes the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings again. Now let's move towards the bedroom number 3. Means exactly this bedroom is located just exactly in front of this bedroom. And now for your reference, they have made this room as a kid's bedroom. So you can check the interior for your reference over here. The wardrobe space that they have placed like this over here. The study table in front of the window, that is the Juliet window that they have provided. And now here also comes the attached washroom. So here is the attached washroom. Again, it comes with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, before entering towards the master bedroom, let me tell you that Housey provides you. So Housey provides you with actual location tour of each and every project with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, with payment scheme and EMI schedule, and with 360-degree location tour. But for all this, you have to do one thing, that is go and register yourself on www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit. So now without wasting time, let's enter into a beautiful and spacious master bedroom. Just check this. It is a piece, right? So this is your master bedroom, comes with a bed space over here, and now they have provided you with a balcony. So here comes a balcony which is 3-side covered with anti-skid tiles, with wooden finishing tiles also, and the iron railing. One thing, if you have noticed, that the tiles, that the flooring they have provided is wooden finishing flooring over here. And now the best part, that is the walk-in wardrobe, the huge walk-in wardrobe that they have provided over here. You can check the space, how huge the walk-in wardrobe is. And now just behind me there is a window, a cross window for ventilation purpose. And now right hand side you have been provided with The attached washroom comes with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings with shower glass partition as well. So now, as you all know, we are here to check Shobha Developers project. If you have checked another project with this developer, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more details of this project, do not forget to click on the I button. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, follow, subscribe, Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.